Assalamu alaikum to everyone who is watching this video lecture. This is Vakar from Camera International Science College at Talagam. Welcome to all the student classroom training video lecture. I hope you would be fine and you would have prepared all the lecture whether they were delivered by me or Sir Mumtaz. As you know that your grammar portion is being taught by me and the other portion which is related to your textbook is taught by Sir Mumtaz. So dear student, in this lecture you can learn about a very famous modal verb which is known as the name of would. It is also called modal verb or modal verb. You are going to be taught about this section, that how can you use modal verb would when some sentence is written in Urdu language, and how can you construct these sentences into English language by using this modal verb which is known as the name of would. Dear student, it is an important topic. If you want to learn English effectively, this topic will help you. Dear student, there are many cases in which you can use this modal verb. Number one, here I am going to explain about 3 cases where you can get advantage from this modal verb which is known as the name of would. Dear student, first of all, past or future, what it means. When we are talking about some paragraph which is related to past, but suddenly we have to face a sentence which is related to future. You are writing a text regarding some past history, and there you will have to face a sentence which was related to future. It means that in past sense there was a sentence of future. वहाँ पे क्या था, एक future का जुमला था. Then how can you make that sentence? It is known as past of future. First of all, I am going to explain it in Urdu. उसने मुझसे कहा. This portion is related to past. You can see that, you can get sense from this. उसने मुझसे कहा, यानी ये बात it is said in past, ये past में की गई है कि वो दौड़ जीत जाएगा. This portion is related to past and this portion is related to future. It means that in this sentence, in the past sense, there is a future sense in the past sense. यानी past के अंदर it is also included a future related sentence. These are 2 parts. These are called clauses. Clause, and this is also called clause. You can say that this is clause 1 and this is clause 2 in Urdu language. So here it is known as conjunction. It is a part of a speech. How can you make this sentence? You cannot use will. It cannot be used. Why? Because the previous clause of this sentence is written in past, and when the first part of the sentence or the first clause of the sentence is written in past, you cannot write the second part of sentence with will or is or am or in present or in future, like this type of future with will. You cannot write. When first clause, if there is a universal truth like that earth is round, the sun comes from, इस तरह के जब sentences आ गए हैं, ठीक है, या God is one, then you can write. But when the first clause is related to past, you are not allowed to write second past in present or with will. Then what can you do right now when this type of situation is front of you? So at that time you are going to use would. you are going to use would. What it means that past और future, तो यहाँ पे आप will की जगह क्या करोगे, would का इस्तेमाल करोगे. तो ये पहली कैटेगरी आपको समझ आ गई. हम इसको ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. He said to me, उसने मुझसे कहा. यहाँ तक हो गया. He said to me. या he told me. You can also write in this form. He said to me. अब के का तर्जमा होगा that. It is known as conjunction. इसको conjunction के नाम से जाना जाता है. He said to me that. वो दौड़ जीत जाएगा. He will. बाज़ का उर्दू में वो नहीं भी होता. ठीक है. He said to me that he. अब you cannot use will. You are bound to use would. अब आपको क्या इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा, would. would के बाद हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. He would win the race. क्लियर. यहाँ पे ये बात क्लियर हो गई कि अगर पास्ट के अंदर फ्यूचर आ जाए तो आप जुमले को यू कैन नॉट मेक द सेंटेंस विद द हेल्प ऑफ विल. यू आर बाउंड टू यूज़ वुड. तो पहला इस्तेमाल क्या हो गया कि जब भी आप पास्ट ऑफ फ्यूचर लिखोगे तो वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे आपको वुड का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू फर्दर अबाउट दिस. Dear student, I hope you would have taken a screenshot of it. So right now we are moving towards our another topic, another point which is related to possibility. What it means when we are talking about sometimes you are not 100% sure to do something in future. बाज़ का तो आपको 100% श्योर नहीं होता कि आप ये काम करोगे फ्यूचर के अंदर. हेयर आई एम गोइंग टू मेक टू टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. मिसाल के तौर पे आई विल राइट अ लेटर. इट मीन यू आर 100% श्योर. व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग विल इट एक्सप्लेन्स, इट मीन्स दैट यू आर 100% श्योर टू डू दिस वर्क इन फ्यूचर. कि आप मुस्तकबिल में इसका, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि आप मुस्तकबिल में इस काम को करने के लिए, उर्दू इसकी सेम ही होगी, दोनों की तर्जमा यही है कि मैं ख़त लिखूँगा. उर्दू दोनों की सेम होगी. बट बीइंग अ नेटिव स्पीकर they will be able to know that this person is 100% sure or not. तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए. अब मैं अगर इसको बदल देता हूँ, I would write a letter. What it means? Not 100% sure due to would एंड ड्यू टू विल. विल से ये ज़ाहिर हुआ कि आप 100% श्योर हैं. तर्जमा सेम है. मैं ख़त लिखूँगा. उर्दू में कोई फ़र्क नहीं, मैं ख़त लिखूँगा. बट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन विल एंड वुड. व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग विल it is indicating that you are 100% sure to do this work. But when you are writing this sentence with the help of modal verb would, it indicates that you are not 100% sure to do this work. So it can be made slight difference between the use of will and would in future. जब आप future में would या will, तो ये बात बहुत important है. When you are 100% sure you are going to use will, and when you are not 100% sure you are going to use would. This is the second point of use of would. You can also take a screenshot of it. Now I am moving toward the third part, which is also related modal verb would, and it is about offer. पेशकश, जब आप किसी को किसी चीज़ के बारे में पेशकश करते हैं, ऑफ़र करते हैं, तो यू कैन यूज़ वुड। विल की जगह आप क्या इस्तेमाल करोगे? आप वुड का इस्तेमाल। मिसाल के तौर पे आप मेरे साथ आओगे। अब यहाँ पे देखिए, अब देखो यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया है कि आप मेरे साथ आओगे, तो यहाँ पे आप क्या इस्तेमाल करोगे? वुड यू। यहाँ पे क्या का सेंस भी आप लगा सकते हैं। क्या आप मेरे साथ आओगे? तो आप किसी को ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं, वुड यू कम विथ मी। यहाँ पे एक और हो सकता है, क्या आप मेरे साथ खाना खाओगे? तो यहाँ पे भी यू आर गोइंग टू ऑफरिंग समथिंग समवन, आप किसी को कोई पेशकश करने जा रहे हैं, वुड यू ईट विद मी। क्या आप मेरे साथ खाना खाओगे? वुड यू ईट मील विद मी। हियर इज मिसिंग दिस वर्ड, वुड यू ईट मील विद मी। तो इसके अंदर भी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? एक ऑफर कर रहे हैं, वुड यू ईट मील विद मी। यहाँ पे एक और बना सकते हैं, जैसे इंग्लिश पीपल आपने देखा होगा ना, पार्टी when they want to dance with someone, तो आपने अक्सर ये फिल्मों के अंदर जुमला सुना होगा, इंग्लिश मूवीज़ के अंदर भी है और आजकल तो पाकिस्तानी और इंडियन मूवीज़ के अंदर भी है, वुड यू डांस विद मी। ये अक्सर आप सुन चुके होंगे, मैं इसलिए बनवा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे कि क्या आप मेरे साथ डांस करोगे। वहाँ पे ये जुमला अक्सर आपने टीवी फिल्मों के अंदर या ड्रामों के अंदर सुना होगा। तो यहाँ पे ये जो तीनों सेंस हैं, ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं? ये किसी तरह की ऑफ़र को यानी पेशकश को कर रहे हैं। तो इसको भी आप एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो। So dear student, I hope you would have taken a screenshot of it. So right now in this lecture you have learnt about 3 important points which are related to use of would as a modal or modal verb. Number 1 point was related to past or future. When you are writing something in past and sudden you have to face some type of sentence which is related to future, there you cannot use will, but you can use would, because would is as taken the past of future. would को क्या लिया जाता है? future का past लिया जाता है. Second one is possibility. When you are not 100% sure to do something in future, it means that you are not 100% sure. आप वो काम बस हो सकता है आप कर दें, हो सकता है आप ना भी करें. When you are 100% sure in future, then you are going to use will. But when you are less sure or not 100% sure to do something in future, you are not allowed to use will, but कि आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to follow would. तो वो possibility के अंदर क्या है? आ जाएगा. And the third one is, which is written here, it is related to offer. When you are offering someone about something like party, like dance, like eating, like gathering, whatsoever you want to offer someone, you are going to use would. Would can be used for offering something to someone. So dear student, I hope you would have listened all the lecture, you would have prepared all the lecture, and you would have made the notes regarding these lecture, which are very important when you come into the college. When you will come into the college, it would be very beneficial for you. So dear student, see you next time. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.